Okay, welcome back, Sweden, to your Caribou Data Science channel. If you, I just mentioned, if you are interested in our program, be sure to jump over to Twitch TV, search for David J. Jackson, and join me tonight, 8 o'clock, when I'll be doing some COVID-19. I'll be doing some analysis of very of a data set. We're going to continue to look at the average size of the farm worldwide by year. Uh, okay, we're going to continue to explore that data set. We're going to try for, among other things, an animated data set by year. We're also going to convert it into a slideshow using the our Markdown package. Now, what's interesting, if you really think about it, to a certain extent, all it's very easy to create a dashboard. Okay, easy to create a dashboard with our Markdown. All you got to use Plotly to get the to add some interactivity to it. Now, no, I'm rambling here. Come back this evening, 8 p.m. New York time for Dave's Data Analytics on Twitch. That's 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 uh, that's twitch.tv/David J. Jackson. That's David J. Jackson. Come back and join me at 8 o'clock this evening. If you're interested in data analytics, you're always welcome there to stop in and say hi. And of course, if you do stop by, click on that follow button. Okay, the magic number for Twitch is 50 followers. Okay, so I need your help to get to that 50 followers as quickly as we possibly can. Okay, thanks so much. Let's get on with the show here. As we always know, Sweden only records cases in COVID-19 data Tuesday to Friday. And their explanation, according to one source, is well, they don't get the weekend data on Monday. You don't get it for a couple to Tuesday or Wednesday or Thursday when they actually get the numbers for the weekend. Okay, that's fine. But you know what? And at some point, you need to go back and adjust the numbers to reflect the actual daily numbers for all 7 days a week. Okay, if that means you have to go to a weekly reporting cycle because you can't just do it, all on Tuesday or Wednesday or Thursday, then you guess what? Then you have to go to a weekly reporting cycle to make sure all the numbers are correctly recorded on the day in which they occurred or the day in which they're reported, whatever date's being used. Okay. Uh, Here's the trouble. If you didn't know that this was just a Tuesday, if you didn't know that these spikes represented uh, the totals for Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, you would think, oh my gosh, cases are out of control in Sweden. Now, while you did see a decline here, so what we're doing is we're not really concerned with the individual numbers. Okay, we're not concerned with the individual number. What we're concerned with is the trend, because the trend is our friend. Now, what you see, you had a long declining trend starting here. All right. Then you began to climb back up. Then you had a series of about 4 or 5 week increase beginning in July, as has the U.S. and Israel. But now it looks like your cases may be beginning to decline a little bit. So that'd be really good news. Okay. So what this is the average number of cases for the previous 28 days. So for the 28-day period ending August the 22nd, you were averaging 928 cases per day. What about deaths? We can see the blue line, the linear regression line right here. Okay. That's beginning to decrease. Okay, you can see that right here. A declining, so this is the best news, a declining number of deaths. Deaths continue to remain really, really low in Sweden right now, COVID-19 deaths. Is that vaccination or is that your anti-lockdown program? Well, I'm sure that's something for a great deal of debate with your other EU countries. Okay, so what you can see again for the 28-day period ending August the 22nd, you were averaging 1.25 deaths per day. Again, look how low these weekly cases are. Weekly cases may be better than even an attempt to work with the data numbers, simply because this is going to include all those numbers. For all this is going, each one of these columns can include 7 days worth of numbers, the full week. Okay. from Sunday to Friday, or Sunday to Saturday, I think. Okay, so here you go. Increasing cases, but still not compared to where you were back over here. These cases aren't that bad. Okay, compared to this over here, they're not that bad. And deaths, look how crazy low your deaths are right now, Sweden. This red line's the average number of deaths per day. Okay, so your deaths have been underneath this line since all the way back over here. All right. Monthly cases, well, yeah, August was a little higher, but it's still, it's still well below these numbers right here. And deaths, look how crazy low your deaths are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 months in a row. Sweden, you had a decline in cases or a decline in COVID-19 deaths. All right. So, Sweden, that does conclude your report for today. Again, if you're interested in data analytics, R programming, tabular, dashboarding, stop back by the Dave's Data Analytics live stream on Twitch at 8 p.m. New York time. That's David J. Jackson at TV/David Jay Jackson at on Twitch. Stop back by. There's also a link to the Twitch channel in the description below. So stop back by to see me 8 o'clock. I'd love for you folks. I'd love for you folks to stop by, say hi, and just take a look at the work I'm doing there. Okay. By the way, if you're interested in our program and learning our programming, put a note in the description below. Let me know, or drop by. Just you can just drop by and you just put a note in the description below with how I can contact you. I'll be more than happy to teach you the basics of our programming. Okay. Thanks so much again, Sweden. We'll catch you tomorrow with an updated report.